scored a pretty special goal tonight. I don't think he's got a better one than that all season. Talk us through it.
Yeah, it was up there, and to be fair, I'm shouting to Brobs at first to chest it, and he's pulled off an audacious back heel, and then I've just thought chesting it, and then yeah, it's ended up in back in net. But enjoying my football, anything I can do to help the team, I'm happy.
Fflint are one of the teams that have always give us a little bit of a problem, you know, the way they play, the way Fowles has got his team set up, you know, they're fit, they're young, they're brave, they're on the front foot, and if you don't finish off your chances and you let them back in the game, which we did, you know, that was the only disappointing thing for ourselves. We've had 3 or 4 chances at 3-1 to make it 4 or 5, and what Fowles has got good young players, and they believe in what he's doing, and they've got a belief in they've got almost a no fear, you know, and they come here and try to score goals. Obviously we probably should have scored 6 or 7, but you know, we've got to finish that off, and then you know, it looks a little bit different. But still, I'm still pleased with scoring 4 goals. Obviously disappointed conceding 2, but scoring 4 goals, it's really pleased. And like you said, it was a hard-fought game.
Congratulations to TNS. They won the game at the 90 minutes, but I think the linesman has made 2 interventions from the referee and changed the referee's mind, because the 3rd goal, I think it was Harry Owen, I think it's a goal. The referee puts his hand up to point towards it's a goal, blows the whistle, and then the linesman gets involved, and then the goal's disallowed, and then obviously that makes it 3-3. I'm so proud of the players. I think we come here with a game plan, and we reverted back to how we are passing the ball. I thought we showed really good quality on the ball. These are the champions, and I just said to my players then, if you can play this well against TNS, I expect this now week in, week out, because I thought at times we broke them down really with ease. But they're a good team, they're champions for a reason. They can punish you on the counter and the rotations they do, but I'm so proud of my players. I'm just gutted for them because that make it 3-3. It does change the dynamic of the game.